Welcome to MBBS Council. In this video, we are going to see choice filling tips for Maharashtra state. Today is last chance for applying Maharashtra state UG counselling. Online application registration and submission ended tonight at 11:59 p.m. We provide personalized counseling guidance for parents and students who are looking MBBS, MD, MS admission, especially in Maharashtra. Choice filling is going on for Maharashtra state quota and institutional quota. 27th October is last date for filling up the online choices for government, government aided, municipal corporation, unaided minority and non-minority institution. Maharashtra state counselling choice filling will happen at online mode. Candidates need to give their choices based on their preferred colleges. Which means if you want to take admission in Maharashtra state colleges, you need to put the college's code. Each college and course has a combination of 4-digit numbers along with S or N suffix. Candidates need to be very careful while put the code. Suffix S indicates 85% state quota seats in government, government aided, corporation, private minority and non-minority colleges. Suffix N indicates 15% institutional quota in private, minority and non-minority colleges. Candidate should fill minimum 1 preferences as their choice and maximum up to their wish. It's not compulsory to fill all the preferences. The candidate should verify the fee structure for state quota and institutional quota seats prescribed by the fees regulating authority. If candidate does not give any preferences or college code, that means candidate is not interested and not willing to take admission in particular college or course within the state. Candidate should note that there will be no change or addition or deletion in the online preferences once you log the choices. Want to learn all about Maharashtra state counselling? Check out the ebook. Link is given in the description below. To clarify all your counseling related doubts and to get more information about the personalized counseling guidance, click the WhatsApp floating button in the MBBS Council app. Your assigned counselor waits for you on the other side. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel to get the current counseling updates and give a thumbs up. We'll meet in another video. See you then.